KMES English Medium Junior College welcome its students for the online lecture of psychology for Chapter A, Positive Psychology. For the topic Introduction, Meaning, Nature and Importance of Positive Psychology. Student, Chapter 8 Positive Psychology is an emerging branch of psychology. This chapter is been introduced to understand the nature and importance of positive psychology. To relate and understand positive emotions like happiness, optimism, empathy, mindfulness and resilience and apply these key elements in our day-to-day life. This chapter consists of 8 parts: Introduction, second, Meaning of Positive Psychology, third, Nature and Importance of Positive Psychology, fourth, Happiness, fifth, Optimism, sixth, Empathy, seventh, Mindfulness and eighth, Resilience. In this lecture, we are going to study about the introduction, meaning, nature and importance of positive psychology. Introduction. In today's world, people are facing social, personal challenges in the form of natural disaster, terrorism, death of the near and dear one, failure, extreme competition, etc. In such phase of advertising and negativity, is there anything which can help to enhancement of happiness? To live a happier, healthier life, it is important to learn how to be positive. This chapter will take us through the new science of positive psychology, which will help us to understand, measure and promote positive experience such as optimism, happiness, growth, etc. You might have seen people doing things in spite of no personal or materialistic gain, like selfless service to others, effort to save life of others at the cost of one's own life, etc. Why is it so? The question was raised by many psychologists too. Some of them believe that it is due to the fact that such virtuous behavior are the inherent qualities found among most of the human. On the other hand, you might have seen other people who, despite being aware that certain behavior are incorrect, still indulge in it. We typically focus more on the negative rather than positive things. Hence, traditional psychologists have always focused on the study of undesirable behavior or disorder rather on the positive aspect of human behavior. As a reaction of this, positive psychology focuses on virtue, character, strength, happiness, leading to achieving a meaningful and enriching life. Meaning of positive psychology. Positive psychology is newly emerging branch of psychology. Positive psychology is the scientific study of what makes life worth living. Peterson in 1808. It is a scientific approach to the study human thoughts, feeling and behavior. Positive psychology focuses building on personal strength and on the all positive qualities and experience in life. Martin Seligman officially introduced positive psychology as a subfield when he choose it as a theme of American Psychological Association conference in 1998. So these branch of psychology give importance to the studying things like joy, courage, happiness, rather than stress, anxiety, illness, disorder, conflict, frustration, etc. There is no common definition of positive psychology. Still, Seligman defined positive psychology as the scientific study of positive human functioning. So, positive psychology is the scientific study of positive human functioning and flourishing on multiple levels that include the biological, personal, relational, institutional, cultural and global dimensions of life. In short, positive psychology is a science of happiness, human strength and growth. So, meaning of positive psychology is newly emerging branch of psychology. Martin Seligman officially introduced positive psychology as a subfield of psychology. It is a science of happiness, human strength and growth. It focuses on building of characters like courage, joy, etc. rather than on anxiety and conflict. According to Seligman, positive psychology is the scientific study of positive human functioning and flourishing on multiple levels that include the biological, personal, relational, institutional, cultural and global dimension of life. Importance and need of positive psychology. Research suggests that greater weight and attention is given to the negative behavior compared to positive. Negative events easily attract our attention because of their intensity. For example, we easily notice the anger of a person, but his potentiality and intellectual ability are ignored by us. Studies strongly suggest that one negative comment can undo many acts of unkindness, and one bad trait can undetermine a person's reputation, leading to a downfall. Positive psychology can help to increase awareness about it. Positive psychology believes that a person can overcome many psychological problems by adopting a positive approach. Therefore, positive psychology is an important science in today's life. So, we have seen the need and the importance of positive psychology, as negative events tend to be intense and hence it easily attracts our attention. Outbursts of anger of a person can be quickly noticed. Positive psychology believes that a person can prevent and overcome many psychological problems by adopting a positive approach. Therefore, today positive psychology is important. There are two concepts that we are going to study in the need and importance of positive psychology. One is life above zero, positive emotions. Second, positive emotions broaden and build health. Life above zero. Traditional psychology focuses on life at and below zero. Zero is a line that divides illness from health. Hence, life below zero indicates a life that is full of problems, stress, disease, etc. Positive psychology emphasizes the study of life above zero. -1 to +1 indicate neutral characteristics, while below zero indicates disorder, illness. Life above zero cover a large area about positive aspects of behavior such as mindfulness, resilience, happiness, hope, trust, and empathy. So, positive psychology emphasizes the study of life above zero. According to DSM classification, as we go down below zero, we can see disorder and dysfunction. But major objectives of psychology is to take human life above zero. Life above zero cover a large area of positive aspect of human behavior. Happiness, optimism, hope, trust, character, strength, companion, empathy, mindfulness, reliance, etc. These are the areas that positive psychology focus on. Coming to the second aspect, that is positive emotion, broaden and build theory. According to Barbara Fredrickson, broaden and build theory of positive emotion can think of positive emotion as being a way to be open to positive thinking in our life. When we are happy or experience positive emotion, we tend to think more positive thoughts. This is reflected in our behavior too. For example, being in a positive frame of mind, we want to be around people and socialize. Thus, we have effectively increased or built our social and psychological resources. When we experience a positive emotion, it leads to broaden, increase the number of actions we can think of performing. These actions help strengthen our psychological resource, which improve our well-being. Thus, in this way, in which we can manage our emotions by trying to experience greater number of positive emotions, which will increase and strengthen our psychological and social resources. This enables us to lead a more meaningful life. Thus, the broaden and build theory of positive emotion given by Barbara Fredrickson explained that when we experience positive emotion, we have more positive thoughts and also indulge in positive behavior. Experiencing a positive emotion leads to broaden the number of actions that we can think and of performing. It increases and strengthens our psychological and social resource to lead a fulfilling life.